The world of high-end photography and professional filmmaking is experiencing a sudden, massive earthquake. For years, the industry had a very predictable layout. If you wanted absolute raw resolution, massive printing capabilities, and landscape-level detail, you bought a Sony A7R series camera. If you wanted blistering speed, zero rolling shutter, and top-tier sports performance, you spent thousands more on a flagship stack sensor machine like the Sony A7R VI or the A7R VI. But a sudden multi-billion-dollar engineering shift has completely destroyed those boundaries. Sony has quietly unleashed a machine that wasn't supposed to exist yet. This is the Sony A7R VI, and it is single-handedly rewriting the rules of the digital imaging industry. This isn't just an incremental generational upgrade with a new menu system or a slightly deeper grip. This is a targeted, brutal tactical ambush designed to consolidate the entire professional camera market under one single body. Sony has done something completely unprecedented, and it is causing absolute chaos and panic across the engineering departments of Canon and Nikon. To fully understand the gravity of what is happening right now, you have to look directly at the engineering marvel that sits at the center of this new camera. Historically, high-resolution sensors were notoriously slow, because a 60-plus megapixel sensor has to process an ocean of data for every single frame. The readout speeds were sluggish. This meant that if you tried to use an electronic shutter on a high-resolution camera, you would get horrific rolling shutter distortion, causing straight lines to bend and fast-moving objects to warp completely out of shape. Photographers were forced to choose between the speed of a lower-resolution sports camera or the static perfection of an R series body. But with the A7R VI, Sony has shattered this wall. They have introduced a brand-new, cutting-edge 66.8 megapixel full-frame XMR RS sensor. But the real magic isn't just the jaw-dropping pixel count. It's the structural architecture of the silicon itself. This is a fully stacked CMOS sensor featuring a dedicated, ultra-high-speed processing layer engineered directly underneath the pixels. This computational breakthrough fundamentally changes the physics of image capture. The data transmission speed has been accelerated to a level that was completely unimaginable for a high-resolution sensor just a couple of years ago. We are talking about a full sensor readout speed of roughly 16 milliseconds in 14-bit mode. To put that into perspective, this camera is processing a massive 67 million pixels of uncompressed data so blindingly fast that it enables full, blackout-free continuous shooting at a staggering 30 frames per second with complete autofocus and auto-exposure tracking. This completely eliminates the screen lag and stuttering that used to plague high-resolution shooters trying to capture action. You can now track a hawk diving at 80 miles an hour, or a sports car tearing through a racetrack, and capture 30 flawless, razor-sharp, 67-megapixel RAW images every single second. It is a level of performance that effectively bridges the gap between the studio and the stadium, turning a traditionally slow landscape tool into an absolute speed demon. But raw speed is completely useless if your autofocus cannot keep up. And this is where Sony has deployed its most terrifying weapon yet. The A7R VI features a completely overhauled, next-generation hardware AI processing unit, paired with their advanced Bion's XR2 engine. This isn't just a